motherfucker got a whole bird, y'all. Look at it.
Oh, yeah. Man, don't never bring that over here.
No, leave that over there. Yeah.
You go put this in the bitch mailbox. She touched my hand. I got from Bessie. I had 3 things on the play, a full course meal.
Go put it in our mailbox then.
All right.
Gio, look at Flip, man. This hood is crazy on Gio. What he looking for? Oh, yeah, now look at him, Big 30. Oh, yeah, he might dive off on his head. Oh, Beezy. Flipper! Oh, Gio, where you going? Look at him, he look back. What you do? Oh, Beezy, look at Flipper. Oh, yeah. Look at Flipper. What is Flipper doing? Is he finna go up to the top?
That's what you trying to do?
Oh, Gray look like he trying to get to the top. He trying to get to the top. Oh, yeah. He trying to get to the top. Oh, Gio, look at him. Oh, BL. He finna kill himself. He finna kill himself. So busy, he finna kill himself. Gio, he took his shoes off. Took his shoes off. Oh, great.
Y'all is fucking lying.
Oh, these boys stole the school bus. Them boys stole the school bus. Oh my God, on God, gang shit.